shut down. Boom. It's gonna shut down.
It's gonna shut down.
Hello? HAMA-ZONE, HAMA-ZONE.
What is up, the world? We're here. So today's a very special day for Quan Smith.
Yeah,
Today, what is a special day?
Grading.
Huh?
Grading.
Grading in Taekwondo.
Yeah.
So what belt are you going for?
Blue.
Blue belt.
Yes.
The Shaequan gonna come along. We're gonna go to the shop and buy Shaequan some football boots as well, because that's what he said he wants.
Okay.
What do you mean again?
We're going to grading.
That was last year we got him boots, so we're get him on some next pair of boots now again.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna get ready. They just had breakfast. We're gonna get ready and go out. So vlog world, we're just leaving out. We're gonna go to Grandma's, do a quick pit stop at Grandma's, and give her some problems. Got these two, and I got the second camera as well to put on the outside of the car. Sick views. So let's go. So we're now in the car. We're gonna go and see Grandma. And I got the other GoPro out there. Chilling, you know. Wagwanan. Here you're doing all right. No, you have your head back, my lad. And it's a reach after life. Thank you, the big gun there.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, I thought you tell me she was going back.
Good morning.
Morning, yesterday.
No, it's because then it changed to go home tomorrow.
Huh?
And then it changed to go home tomorrow morning. Early in
Oh.
the morning.
Okay. Tomorrow was Sunday.
Yeah.
So where you do that street now? I look something to you.
We're going shopping. We're gonna go get us football boots for Shakeem. So what's your plans for today?
You know something fancy today.
What?
So can you see?
Eating?
Eat fruit.
Oh my God.
Fancy today.
So why are you using a knife peeling the apple, man?
Eat it. Shaequan, come.
Why are you using a knife peeling the apple?
Shaequan, this is you.
We just watch it and eat everything.
That's sour.
Huh? And so what?
No. And it's like you. I don't know why it's not.
Man, you cut yourself now. Be careful you don't cut yourself. I don't know what you're doing, man.
Oh my God.
Listen, take off on the jacket, man. You need to have the jacket now.
Then two boy with your whole live long a week. And you only see two of them for half an hour.
I was working, man. I was off work on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So where was I Thursday?
I tried to ring you in the morning. You didn't answer the phone, man. I did ring you.
Then I'm sick and tired of getting people ringing the phone. Hello? Good morning. Can I help?
They're selling stuff.
Boo!
What is boo?
And just slap down the phone on me. In the midday, the same thing. In the evening, the same thing. As soon as we pick up the phone, hello, good morning or good afternoon. How can I help? So that's why I'm not answering the phone now.
Yeah, because I was ringing you about 11 o'clock-ish, I think. Because
I wasn't here. Thursday morning?
Yeah.
I wasn't here.
Yeah, because I was going to come around here first.
No, I wasn't here.
Because we went bowling and stuff. We went cinema. So we was going to come and see you.
Yeah, no, I wasn't here.
And then yesterday, I was out to do some stuff yesterday. And then here we are. And you cut yourself.
What are you doing next weekend?
When? No. Think of London. Yeah, I'm care go London. I'm not sure about that.
Well, if we go London in camp because of my work,
Oh,
me don't say something, I'm so fretful. They might go up there, it depends on the weather. I might pick up there Friday and May 1. Then I'm desperate for some fish, but me have to buy my fish myself.
so what happened to the fish that I give you? I'm finished already? You want more?
You have to get my fish fillet.
You want fish fillet?
I'm buy the fish, but then fillet the fish.
Yeah, English. It's an English woman.
So how does it work?
My work is alright. It's fine, drop is okay.
I'm not promoting yet.
Promote me to what? To thief?
Mm-hmm.
No, everything is fine.
Okay.
How many fruits have you ate?
Huh?
She ate banana, apple, and
Orange.
orange.
Oh my god, so that's
We'll have to come to my house so you can see what I eat.
Stop interfering. Have you got any funny stories you can tell the boys now? Hmm?
No.
Have you got any funny story about me growing up that you can tell the boys?
I didn't know you when you was growing up.
You never know me?
No. The man we call a Jamaican rain player was a big man, eh?
Who was a big man?
You.
big man.
Have you got any stories to tell them when I first come?
I didn't first come up to see. It was bad.
No, it was not.
It was bad.
Oh, I'm the best grandson you have.
I just want to beat him with the broomstick.
Oh, she didn't beat with that broomstick. She's fine.
So why is Dad being kind to us?
Hmm?
So why is Dad being kind to us?
No.
Shut down. Boom. Shut down.
It's gonna shut down.
Hello? HAMA-ZONE. HAMA-ZONE.
I'm all right.
What?
I think.
79.99 from your bank account, so enjoy using Amazon Prime services, or if you want to discontinue or unsubscribe services, then speak to our Amazon service manager by pressing 1. Hi, this is a call from Amazon to inform you that your Amazon Prime account will be auto-renewed for 79.99 from your
This is a
bank
scam
account.
call. This is a scam call.
Using Amazon Prime services, or if you want to discontinue or unsubscribe,
Who's this man?
our Amazon service manager
Just
by
when it comes to hang
pressing
it up.
Hello.
Hello?
Thank you for being connected to the Amazon Prime server. This is Eric. How can I help you today?
No, it's you guys just called me. What do you mean, how can you help me? You guys ring me.
Okay, so sir, I do believe that you got a voicemail regarding the deduction money from your account for the subscription of Amazon Prime, correct?
Yes, I got that voicemail, yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So it is to inform you that an amount of 79.99 pounds is going to be deducted from your account for the subscription of Amazon Prime. Okay.
I don't even use Amazon. What is Amazon, mate?
Okay. If you want to continue with the subscription or if you want to cancel with the subscription.
What is Amazon? I don't know what Amazon is.
Amazon is an online shopping app. Okay.
I don't shop online, mate.
Okay, but we can see in our record that more than 3 accounts are running by your name and identity from the overseas. Okay.
What is my name?
Your name is Catherine.
No,
Right?
I don't. No, it's not. I'm a man.
Sorry?
I'm a man.
I know that you are a man. So your name is Catherine.
Oh, love that.
My name is not Catherine. I'm a man.
What is your name?
My name is Mark.
Your name is Mark, right?
Yes, my name is Mark.
Okay. So we can see in our record that more than 3 accounts are running by your name from the overseas. And do you know who is created your Amazon account?
I don't have an Amazon account. I don't use Amazon, mate.
I know that. But sir, some overseas hacker, they got access to your internet line and they got hacked your internet line, okay? And trying to misuse your internet line, okay?
Boss,
Yes.
I don't even have a Wi-Fi in my house.
Listen to me, sir. I know that you don't have any Amazon account, okay? But sir, some overseas hacker, they created an Amazon account from your name, okay?
And what name is that you just said? Catherine. I'm Mark, not Catherine, sir.
I know that, sir. Your name is Mark, but sir, I can't share your any information over the phone, okay?
So, what would you like me to do?
And I just want to stop this payment and I will refund your all money, okay?
How much money
Are
is
you
it?
aware of that?
Say again?
Do you want to stop this payment right now?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to stop this payment right now, then you need to be fill up the online cancellation form, okay? And I'm going to send you the online cancellation form. Then you need to be first in front of your any device like that you have computer, laptop, iPad, mobile phone, anything you have to just go in front of your device. With the help of your device, we can put the new security to your internet line and we will refund your all money and stop this payment right away, right?
Okay. Can I just say something to you?
What?
I do not have any internet devices in my house. I do not use smartphone or laptop or anything. The only thing I have in my house is my landline.
You have a only landline connection to your home. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Yes. No. I haven't got no internet. I haven't got no laptop, no iPad, no smartphone.
So, sir, I do believe, sir, okay, sir, I'm fill up from my server, okay, but if you don't mind, I can get some kinds of information about you, right?
Like what kind of information you need about me?
Like your name, your address, your date of birth, your landline number, and some kinds of information, okay?
Okay. You just said you've got my name. So why do you need my name now? And why would I be giving out my date of birth on the phone?
Listen to me, sir. Because I can fill up the form for cancellation and we posted them from our NCA department, right?
No, thank you, sir. I'm not interested.
Right. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Tell him no call back.
The scammers are out, guys. Please be aware of these scamming people that's going to be ringing your phone and telling you stuff that you don't get involved in nothing. My grandma hasn't got no Amazon account. She hasn't got anything to do with no smartphone. Nan, raise your phone. It's a little banger phone, isn't it? Nan don't use none of that. I've got a contract out in my name for grandma. So there's no way in hell they could be ringing grandma saying something about Amazon account. No, guys. Don't fall for that trick, okay? Do not fall for that trick because straight away he's asking for my date of birth, my address, and my landline. You guys rang me. You should have my landline, you know? So be careful, guys. Please be careful out there. There's scammers in all different shapes and sizes.
The amount of time, then phone, fit that. At twice, it's our time today now.
Yeah.
As soon as I say Amazon account, I just have on the phone.
There's scammers, none. Have to be careful of them. If you genuinely haven't signed up for anything which you haven't, then don't pay them no mind. Don't pay them no mind. So yeah, this is just another day in curb calling.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, your daddy was bad. I beat him with the broom. I said, alright, that's not down for them.
Say what you're saying, Grandma.
No.
Okay, all right, cool. It's not on you.
Every time I saw them, I tell no, daddy was.
Nan, say what you're saying. This camera's not. Let me turn it off. It's off.
Look.
The camera's off. They can't see what you're saying.
Daddy,
So we're leaving Grandma's house now. We're gonna head out. I've been reading with Grandma stuff. Yeah, it smells nice.
Smells nice. So then, let's smell it. You wanna smell it? Let's smell it.
Go on now.
Smells nicer than your fart, Dad.
Smell nice, I don't know for fart. My fart smell nice. Grandma, I shall see you later on.
Judge of the Bible.
Have a good day.
Have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky, Grandma. It's open, guys. Come on. My car's so dirty. I need to clean it. But it's too much rain. Come on, sort yourself out. So now we are going shopping. We're going to get Shakeem's football shoes. So yeah, we're out here.
Go inside. Yeah.
Leave Grandma alone, because Grandma's looking out for her front door. That's what Grandma do. There she is. She just closed the door.
Can I help you?
So yeah, help him out. Help him out. Help him out. You done?
Wait. 7 hours later.
Done?
There's something stuck inside there.
Just the two of us.
Hey.
Which boots are we looking at? What's your size?
1 or 2. 1 or 2.
Might as well buy one then.
It's either these ones or these ones.
So this or that. Huh?
These actually might make me play good better.
How would it make you play better?
Because these are much comfortable than my next ones. 54.99, let's go. What am I good at here? Thank you. Hello. Look at the boots. Damn, that was hot. Take care of these, boy.
What?
These are mine. No one touching them.
You gonna take care of them? Better take care of them. Cost a lot of money. So vlogger, we're heading home now. Shaequan needs to go home and study for his grading later on. So yeah, he's got what? 2 hours before. So we will see you when we get home. Peace. So vlog world, we just come back in. I'm trying to play PlayStation, but it's loading up at the minute. Shakeem is gonna get Shaequan's iPad, and Shaequan is studying for his tournament, which he's got in an hour. So just killing time. We're killing time. That's what we do, right?
Yep.
We're killing time. Here he is.
Hello.
So he's got his football boots. He's comfy. He's good. He's nice. Shaequan's in there studying. Let's go see what he's doing, because I have to watch him sometimes. Let's go see what he's doing. We're sneaking up. We're sneaking up.
They haven't told rush the partner to a time as taekwondo training progresses.
What does blue belt signify?
Blue belt signifies they haven't told.
Let me see the book. Where is it?
Oh, it's up here. It's up here.
Okay.
Blue belt.
Blue belt signify what?
They haven't told towards which the plant matters into a
Speak up, I can hear you.
Bluebird signifies the heaven towards which the plant matters into a towering tree as taekwondo training progresses.
Good lad!
Now I just need to know this one.
What one?
This one.
Okay, study that one then, and then you'll be good and ready. Why are you telling me to shush? I'm not gonna shush.